Welcome back, your go-to source for all things farming and machinery. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for every John Deere tractor owner: oil. Keeping your tractor running smoothly depends heavily on the right oil and maintenance practices. Let's get started. Hey everyone, today we're talking about the lifeblood of your John Deere tractor: oil. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or new to the world of tractors, understanding your tractor's oil needs is crucial for maintaining its performance and longevity. First, let's talk about why oil is so important. Tractor oil does more than just lubricate the engine. It helps to cool the engine, keep it clean by preventing sludge buildup, and protect it from wear and tear. For John Deere tractors, using the right oil can make all the difference. John Deere offers several types of oils, but today we'll focus on their most popular, John Deere Plus 50II. This oil is specially formulated for John Deere engines and is designed to provide superior protection and performance, even under the most demanding conditions. John Deere Plus 50II oil has several key benefits. 1. Extended engine life. It reduces wear and tear, extending the life of your engine. 2. Superior protection. Provides excellent protection against rust and corrosion. 3. High temperature stability. Performs well even at high temperatures, ensuring your engine runs smoothly in all conditions. 4. Longer oil change intervals. Allows for longer intervals between oil changes, saving you time and money. Now, let's walk through how to change the oil in your John Deere tractor. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary tools and supplies. John Deere Plus 50II oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. Step 1. Warm up the engine. Run your tractor for a few minutes to warm up the oil. Warm oil drains more easily and carries away more impurities. Step 2. Drain the old oil. Place your oil drain pan under the drain plug, then remove the plug with your wrench. Let the oil drain completely. Step 3. Replace the oil filter. Remove the old oil filter with a filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a little bit of oil to the gasket of the new filter. This ensures a good seal and makes it easier to remove next time. Step 4. Add new oil. Replace the drain plug securely. Then use a funnel to add the new John Deere Plus 50II oil. Refer to your tractor's manual for the correct oil capacity. Step 5. Check the oil level. After adding the oil, use the dipstick to check the oil level. Make sure it's within the recommended range. Add more oil if necessary. Step 6. Dispose of old oil properly. Make sure to dispose of your used oil and filter properly by taking them to a recycling center or a location that accepts hazardous waste. And that's it. Your John Deere tractor is now filled with fresh, high-quality oil, ready to take on the toughest tasks. Regular oil changes and using the right oil can help ensure your tractor runs smoothly for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Happy farming, and see you next time. This script covers the essential aspects of John Deere tractor oil, offering both educational content and a practical how-to guide, ensuring that viewers can easily follow along and understand the importance of proper oil maintenance.